Hello and welcome. If you're looking for weight loss products, there's only one website you ever need to visit. Just type in www.w-eightloss.com. You'll see a daily review of the top weight loss products here. You can read their descriptions. They have also weight loss capsules, weight loss pills, like this one, the South Beach Diet. It's a book about weight loss. So they have here books about weight loss and weight loss pills. You can also subscribe to their newsletter so you can get coupons and special offers. Thanks.